How's everybody doing today? This is Kurt's Culinary, and today I'm making chicken marinara casserole. Okay, this is pretty easy, pretty simple. I got some penne pasta, and I have some chicken, and marinara, and cheese. Pretty simple, pretty basic. All right, first, we're gonna cube this chicken down. Just gonna cut it. You wanna leave nice pieces of chicken in your casserole. You don't want to dice it down and have it real fine. You want to have it real nice and meaty. And if you guys are interested in a recipe, the recipe will be in the description. So the chicken's cubed up. All right, that's taken care of. Okay, then after that you're going to take marinara sauce. You can do this with jarred or fresh. I make my own, so this is fresh marinara. You're going to use about 24 ounces. You're just going to take your marinara, go ahead and dump that on in there. If you guys would like to see how I make my marinara, I can do a video. Just let me know in the comments or whatever. Okay, take your spoon, mix all of this penne pasta, chicken, marinara. Okay, and it's pretty simple. This is very basic, very delicious dish. It's really good. It's actually best with the fresh marinara, the homemade. But if all you have is a jarred, then that's all you have. So, all right, after this is mixed pretty nice and thoroughly, you're gonna transfer it into a nice little dish, nice little casserole dish, and smooth this out real nice. Get it kind of leveled out some, because we're gonna put, of course, cheese. We're gonna put a bunch of cheese on it. All right. So, I'm gonna rinse my stuff off. Okay, so now we have our chicken, pasta, and marinara all mixed together. Now, cheese. I don't measure out the cheese. You can put as much as you like on there, or as little as you like. I like a lot of cheese, so makes it all nice and gooey. So I'm gonna put some more on there. All right, go over, set this up all nice on top, and kind of spread it around. Get it nice and even, because you're gonna have to put it in the oven. So go ahead and kind of move your cheese around, pat it down a little bit, just so it stays nice and even. All right, then last ingredient you're gonna need is a little bit of Italian seasoning. The Italian seasoning really helps, gives it a really nice flavor, and just absolutely just tops it off. I don't really measure it out. I just kind of sprinkle over the top. You can add as much as you like or as little as you like. So after that, it's all made up. Now we are going to put it in the oven. And so your oven, you want to have your oven preheated to 350, which mine is. So I have cut this recipe in half. Here is my casserole that is going to go into the oven. And here, let's both of things. All right, here is my casserole that is coming out. And now you only have to put this in for 30 minutes, where the cheese is nice, melted, nice and golden brown, look really good. Only takes about 30 minutes. So that one goes in. Set your timer. And that one's good to go. Now this is our finished product, and be careful, it's extremely hot when it comes out. So now what we are going to do is we're going to plate it up, guys. So I have made up some green beans to go with this, but you can do it with pretty much anything you like. Broccoli, asparagus, nice fresh green beans. The sky's the limit on the sides. So first, get you a nice little spoon and get down in there. Ooh. Scoop it on out. It's nice and cheesy. This stuff is really good, guys. And it's very easy to make. Quite simple. And then you want to get you some nice green beans. These green beans, I cook these over a lower heat. I kind of like to steam my green beans instead of cooking them on a real high heat. Kind of makes them nice and crunchy. So, alright, that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Chicken marinara casserole, pretty quick, pretty easy. If you guys like this video, please like, please share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.